How to recharge Lebara SIM card. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can recharge Lebara SIM card. To recharge your Lebara SIM card is simple. Okay, the first thing to do is to log in into the Lebara website. Once you log into the Lebara website, either your PC or your laptop or through any web browser of your choice, you'll be brought to the home page. Now on the home page, ensure you select your country. Alright, that is the country where these SIM cards are accepted. These countries include UK, Germany, etc. Just go ahead, select it. Once you've selected a country, you'll be brought to this page. Yes, this home page that you can see on my screen. Now, once you're on this screen, by the right side of the screen, you'll see the option top up, login, basket, right? Yes, just go ahead and click on top up. Once you click on top up, it will load and then you'll be brought to this top up page. Now all you need to do from here is to go ahead and select the package that suits you. This is for if you want 5 gig, 20 gig, 30 gig or limited data. And then you can just scroll down and then you can see top up credit, right? Yes, top up credit. Add credits if you only make occasional calls and texts, or buy one or of our plans above if you want to use mobile data. So you can just go ahead and click on top up to top up uh to recharge your Lebara SIM card. You can just click on it depending on the one you want. Once you click on it, you directed to this page asking you to log in. Then yeah, if you don't have an account, ensure you register. And then once you've registered, just go ahead, follow the due process, and then you'll be able to recharge your Lebara SIM card. So easy and so simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.